If you've ever felt like luck just isn't on your side, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, wishing for a stroke of luck to change our fortunes overnight. But what if I told you that you had the power to shape your own destiny, far beyond the elusive concept of luck? Today we're looking into how you can harness the law of attraction by repeating specific words every day. This is not about waiting for good fortune to find you. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with the universe to create the life you desire. The law of attraction isn't just a magical theory. It's a powerful principle supported by the belief that like attracts like. At its core, the law of attraction suggests that the thoughts you put out into the universe have a way of becoming reality. When you focus on positive outcomes, you set the stage for them to manifest in your life. Conversely, dwelling on what you don't want can unfortunately bring more of that into your life. This principle teaches us that your consistent thoughts and feelings directly influence your experiences and outcomes. So, how do you use this knowledge to your advantage? It starts with the words you repeat to yourself on a daily basis, your affirmations. These aren't just phrases you casually toss around. They are purposeful, powerful expressions of your desired reality, phrased in the present tense to affirm that what you desire is already yours. By repeating these affirmations, you are effectively programming your mind to focus on your goals, drawing the great powers of the universe to your side. Words hold immense power. They can uplift, motivate, and inspire, or they can deflate, discourage, and deter. This immense power of words lies not just in their meaning, but in the vibration they send out to the universe. Every word you utter sends out a wave into the universe, and this wave either aligns with the harmony of your desires, or it clashes with it. Choosing the right words to repeat every day is akin to selecting the correct frequency to tune into the reality you wish to create. The affirmations you choose should resonate with you personally. They should feel powerful and meaningful. For example, saying, "I am successful and valued" daily changes your focus and energy towards success and value in your life. It's important to phrase these affirmations positively because the law of attraction does not differentiate between do's and don'ts. It simply responds to your most frequent and powerful thoughts and feelings. To make the most of this, start your day by declaring your intentions. Stand in front of a mirror, speak your affirmations aloud with conviction, or write them down in a journal. Feel each word as you say it, immersing yourself in the belief that what you are affirming is real and happening. This practice sets a positive tone for the day, aligning your mindset with your aspirations. By integrating these powerful affirmations into your daily routine, you actively participate in creating your future. You are not just a bystander in your life, waiting for luck to sweep in and make things right. Instead, you are an active creator, shaping your destiny with every word you choose. As you repeat these words daily, watch as the fabric of your reality weaves itself around the desires of your heart. Remember, this is not about luck. It's about creating your own path and claiming the life you deserve. Creating effective affirmations is both an art and a science. The process begins with clear, positive statements that directly reflect what you want to manifest in your life. These affirmations must be in the present tense, as though what you desire is currently your reality. This method is not about hoping or wishing. It's about affirming your current state of being. To craft an affirmation, start by identifying what you most desire. Do you seek happiness, success, health, or love? Once identified, transform that desire into a statement that acts as if the desire is already fulfilled. For example, rather than saying, "I want to be happy," affirm, "I am filled with joy every day." The key is consistency in your language and ensuring the affirmation resonates with your personal aspirations and core values. It's crucial to avoid negative words even when framing a positive outcome. For instance, instead of saying, "I am not stressed," say, "I am at peace." This positive framing reinforces your desired state without invoking the very thing you wish to avoid. By keeping affirmations positive, present, and personal, you energize them with the potential to alter your reality. Integrating affirmations into your daily life isn't just about saying words. It's about creating a ritual that sets the stage for these affirmations to thrive. Start each morning with a moment of quiet reflection. This could be a simple 5-minute meditation where you focus solely on your breath and your affirmations. This practice grounds you and connects you to the present moment, enhancing the impact of your words. Throughout the day, keep your affirmations at the forefront of your mind. You can use reminders on your phone, sticky notes in your workspace, or even background images on your computer or tablet that display your affirmations. These reminders help keep you aligned with your intentions despite the day's chaos. Before bed, reflect on the affirmations again. This might involve a quiet reading of what you've written or a contemplative meditation on the day's experiences and how they aligned with your affirmations. This practice not only ends your day on a positive note, but also supports subconscious processing of your affirmations during sleep, enhancing their efficacy. By embedding these rituals into your daily schedule, affirmations become more than just words. They become a lifestyle. Each day, with each repetition, you reinforce your path to manifesting the realities you desire, proving that success is not a matter of luck, but a result of focused, persistent intention. Visualization is a powerful tool that complements your affirmations. It involves picturing in your mind's eye what it looks like to live out the statements you've been affirming. This practice not only enhances the emotional resonance of your affirmations, but also helps you believe more deeply in their truth and potential. To visualize effectively, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, centering your mind and body. Once relaxed, picture yourself living out your affirmation. If your affirmation is about joy, imagine scenarios where you feel deeply joyful, perhaps laughing with friends, enjoying a moment of personal success, or simply relishing a peaceful morning. The key is to involve all your senses. See it, feel it, hear it, and even smell and taste the environment if relevant. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes in this visualization. The more detailed and vivid the scenario, the more impactful it will be. This technique not only helps to cement your affirmations in your subconscious, but also aligns your mental and emotional state to your desires, making you more receptive to the opportunities that can make these desires a reality. One of the biggest challenges in practicing the law of attraction is maintaining a focus on positive outcomes, especially when faced with setbacks or negative circumstances. Doubt and negativity can diminish the effectiveness of your affirmations by shifting your focus away from what you want to achieve. To combat this, it is essential to develop a resilience mindset. Start by acknowledging doubts and fears when they arise. Recognize them, but don't dwell on them. Instead, consciously redirect your thoughts back to your affirmations. It might help to have a set of counter-affirmations that specifically address these doubts. For example, if you often think, "I'm not good enough," have a ready affirmation like, "I am competent and capable in my abilities." Keep a journal of all the positive changes, however small, that you notice in your life since you started using affirmations. This record not only provides tangible proof that your efforts are yielding results, but also bolsters your belief in the process during times of doubt. Practicing these strategies regularly can significantly diminish the impact of negative thoughts and reinforce your commitment to your affirmed path, ensuring that your mental environment supports your life's goals. To ensure that affirmations and visualization are not just morning or evening routines, but are woven seamlessly into your everyday life, consider integrating them into regular daily activities. For instance, use affirmation breaks instead of coffee breaks. Midday, step away from your desk or work environment for a few minutes to reaffirm your intentions. This can reset your energy and refocus your mind, especially useful on challenging days. Another method is to use technology to your advantage. Set up reminders on your smartphone or computer that pop up with different affirmations throughout the day. Each reminder can serve as a prompt to pause briefly, repeat the affirmation, and realign your thoughts with your goals. Transform your living space into an environment that reflects your affirmations. Place notes or posters in visible areas around your home or workspace. These can be simple post-it notes or decorative pieces that blend with your decor but still serve the purpose of keeping your goals visually represented in your living and working environment. Consistency is the cornerstone of successfully applying the law of attraction through affirmations. The effectiveness of this practice hinges not just on what or how you say your affirmations, but how consistently you engage with them. Just as a garden requires regular watering to thrive, your mind needs consistent reinforcement of positive thoughts and affirmations to flourish and produce results. To build this consistency, set a daily schedule for your affirmations and visualization exercises. Make it as routine as brushing your teeth or having breakfast. It should not feel like a chore. Rather, it should be a part of your day that you look forward to, a time when you can focus on creating the future you desire. Over time, this consistency transforms your affirmations from mere words into a fundamental belief system deeply ingrained in your subconscious, propelling you toward your goals. Remember that the practice of repeating words daily using the law of attraction is about much more than just hoping for a good future. It's about actively creating that future. each affirmation is a brick in the foundation of the life you are building. By consistently applying the techniques discussed, you are not at the mercy of random chance or external circumstances. Instead, you have the power to shape your destiny. By focusing on the positive, maintaining consistency in your affirmations, and integrating these practices into your daily life, you set a powerful course towards achieving your dreams. It is within your reach to change your life, not by waiting for luck, but by committing to a disciplined practice of visualization and affirmation. This commitment is the key to unlocking a future where your desires are not just possibilities, but realities. Thank you for watching. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our upcoming videos where we continue to explore powerful ways to transform your life.